Hi everybody, I hope everyone's doing well. This video I will be doing a luxury unboxing and initial review, so if you guys are interested, do stick around. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Cristina. I do product reviews on luxury skincare and makeup, and occasionally a luxury accessory review and a vlog here and there. So in this video, you guys, I am semi-unboxing a new Saint Laurent bag that I've recently purchased. And yeah, so let me get to it. This is going to be more than just an unboxing because I've already used this a couple of times. But yeah, I couldn't wait to film a video to use it. So this is a Saint Laurent toy Lulu, and I will put the video linked here somewhere of my YSL Lulu. I think the medium or the large. So this is how it looks, and you can see the difference of how small even the box looks. And this is she. So this is the size of the toy. This is in pink leather and with silver hardware. Now, I'm not going to go into the specs, you guys, because for the size and the dimensions, those are things that you can easily see on the website, and I will put a link of the product down below. But what I'm going to share with you guys is basically my thoughts after using it or having it for a week. So the difference with this one is that it's a single strap. And usually the way that you can wear it is a crossbody. And now for the interior, it is definitely almost the same as the Lulu. So you have the zip compartment in the very back, and then you have two big compartments, and then this one, the divider in the middle actually opens, so you can put your mask or cards or a key in there. And then there's an extra compartment over here that's in the black canvas. The interior is a black canvas. And then there are, and I know you guys can't see it, on the interior here, not just a compartment, but there's card slots over here. I think there's about 6. So it is super functional and practical, you guys. So I'm going to show you what it's called. So of course you have all the cards, authentication cards inside. This is called the YSL Pouch Monogram Vitello Pemuto Pale Pink. Now, I don't know if you guys can see that, the original price is 1,665 Canadian, but I got this on a private sale, so I think I got this for like 1,000 Canadian. Yeah, before tax. So it was really a good deal, and that's the reason why I purchased it, even if the color initially was not my first choice. After seeing the leather, I know the Saint Laurent quality, honestly, you guys, I am such a fan. I think after Chanel and Louis Vuitton, I mean, this is, for the price, the quality they give you is absolutely amazing. Now, a few things that I like about the toy, even if I haven't used it that way, is it's really is multifunctional, you guys. So you can remove, because these links are removable, so you can just detach the strap and use it as a clutch, which I think is absolutely amazing. So let me show you guys that. So if you detach, it's so cute. It's a clutch. And I think it's such a perfect clutch because it's not too big, but it's still not too small. I'm going to show you guys how I've been using this and the things I've been placing inside this toy Lulu. So you can remove the strap completely and use it like a clutch. Now, if I hold it like a clutch, you guys, honestly, like, it looks, I don't know. My chair. It doesn't look bad. It looks really good. Now, I've been using this as a crossbody, of course, which is the reason why I really wanted it in the first place. Now, another way that I know you can do this, which I have not tried, is you can actually Now another way you can use it, you guys, I believe that you can detach the strap and use it like a wristlet, which I am gonna try for the first time with you guys because I haven't. So basically you can detach it from here and then use this like a wristlet. So, oh, I see what you mean. So you just detach this entire longer part. And then you can literally just attach this over here. Anyway, let me just do this first. So attach one side here to the bag. Sorry you guys, I am doing this for the first time. So let me just get it and then show you guys. So there you go, you guys. You can detach the long part and you can use it like a clutch but still have a wristlet factor to it. So if you want to be more secure, or yeah, this is absolutely amazing, you guys. I mean, obviously you can do that, but you can use it as a wristlet as well. And I think I've seen other people use it like a belt bag or try to put it around their waist with a longer strap, which I haven't really tried. But I will show you guys how I've been using it and give you guys my initial thoughts and what I actually can fit in here. Okay, you guys, so let me show you how I've been using this. So I think I've had this now for a week, and honestly the very next day I started using it already. I just knew it would be very practical and functional for me, and I was already a fan of my large Lulu in black with bronze gold hardware, so I know the quality I was coming into, and I felt like, why wait any longer? And it's been absolutely amazing for what I've been using it for and what I've been putting inside. So I usually have been using this as a crossbody bag just to fit my essentials, which when I'm running around Vancouver or doing errands, it really is just very minimal, the things that I need. So I usually wear it this way. The strap is very comfortable and lightweight, and let me show you what I can fit inside the bag. So this is mostly what I have inside the bag. It is very minimal nowadays. My necessities, or at least the things that I usually bring around with me, are very minimal. So first and foremost, and it fits most of it perfectly. I can actually fit more, but I don't really carry around any makeup. If ever, maybe a small fragrance flask. Usually I have a lot of these kinds of fragrance samplers, and if I carry fragrance around, that would be it. Or if not, I carry around a Dior lip glow, which I did not put in here, but I will show you. So that's still fits comfortably in there. So let me show you what is usually inside. So I bring a mask, and then I have my iPhone in here, which fits perfectly in the back pocket. And you guys, it doesn't get deformed. So this one fits perfectly, which I love, because a lot of I see a lot of phone holders now, and they're like almost $2,000 and they don't even fit as much. So I put my iPhone in the back pocket, fits perfectly. And then I showed you I have maybe a lip balm, like a Dior lip glow inside. And then in the front compartment, I keep my hand sanitizer, and I carry around like a small pocket hand sanitizer. And of course, the one I can't live without, my key and my card holder in one. This is the Monogram key holder, and I have my keys here. And then I have a couple of my essential cards over here, including my ID, so anything essential. So this is life for me. I have this everywhere. So that is basically what I carry around, and I think all the time when I'm just running around or in Vancouver. And this, I think, is the perfect size. The price is absolutely amazing for the quality that you get and the functionality that you get with this purse. It's not just a small unfunctional purse where you have to try to stuff or have to really edit down your cards, or maybe just keep your pocket or your phone in your pocket. Like, I can actually fit my essentials in here without having to store them elsewhere or have to edit them down, which I think is key. Because nowadays, like with other brands, I find a lot of cute small leather goods or accessories, but they can barely fit your phone. So, and sorry, and the price point, you guys, is like crazy, like 1700 before tax, and I'm talking in Canadian terms, but still. And this one I got for 1,000 Canadian, and I think after tax like a little over 1,000. So I'm super super happy, and the color I've fallen in love with. I think it's the pale pink. It's just a nice nude, and it can still pass for neutral, and the silver hardware with this kind of color or pale pink just looks very classic and elegant. So you have the quilted, all the details of a Lulu bag. It's just the strap, you guys. It's just the strap that makes it much less in price point. You don't have the hardware. It's a single strap, and but all the details in terms of the body of the bag itself. You have the quilting, the Y quilting down the center. You have the YSL hardware. You have the magnetic clasp. See, I haven't even removed this plastic, but let me remove it now. So you have the magnetic clasp, and then all the compartments and even more, because the large Lulu doesn't have card slots here. Like, this is just such an amazing, even for travel, you guys, your passport will fit comfortably in here. And yeah, so I absolutely adore this bag, this shape. I mean, if you're looking for a bag that is easy to travel with, or yeah, or very functional but not too large but still the quality, I highly recommend this bag. There are a lot of different combinations in terms of leather and hardware it comes in. So yeah, I highly recommend, and I'm very very happy with the YSL Toy Lulu. That is my initial review after using it for a week. If anything changes, or maybe the wear and tear, I'll show you guys later on, but I am super happy that I was able to get this at the price that I got it for. And if you guys have any questions or comments about anything about the bag, the size, and oh yeah, by the way, you guys, I am 5'3", so the length just hits perfectly, and I can actually still adjust the strap a bit more, like one length down, but it's perfect, I think, for me. Now, in terms of like on the side, it looks a bit bulky. I have to admit it's more bulky than what I feel is ideal for me, but it doesn't bother me because I think the functionality and the quality of the bag itself supersedes or goes beyond how I feel how bulky it is. I think it's so functional that I can forgo that. It doesn't really bother me so much. But and the leather smells amazing, you guys. Just as amazing as my large Lulu, the quality is absolutely the same, and you can see that it is made so well, even just aesthetically looking at it. So that is it, you guys. That is my initial review of the YSL Toy Lulu. I hope you guys found it informative, and if you have further questions, you can just leave it in the comments down below, and I promise to try to respond to them as soon as I can. I hope everyone is staying safe and staying healthy and following the protocols of wherever you may be. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys have a great day or a great evening.